Good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to check in and give you guys an end of the day update. This is the Max Convexity channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Max. Let's look at the QQQY. Of course, the QQQY trades options on the NDX to generate a dividend for the people that own the fund. So we track that every day here. So the QQQY fund today sold a daily put option, 142 of them, at the 15,980 level for 73 bucks a piece. And let's look at the chart real quick so we can see how the, well, all right, NASDAQ, all right, it opened down, it came down a little bit off the open underneath the profit box, then blew right through the profit box, settled back into it, then out of it. Anyway, as long as we're on the top line or above, it's a max profit. So that means we got to keep all the proceeds for the option we sold. That's good news. That is a $1 million winner right there. I haven't computed this yet. Bear with me. Yeah, 0.46. That's the same percentage capture that IWMY had yesterday, and that is huge. I can't tell you how big that is. These funds are making money hand over freaking fist. They're only trying to average 0.25. Sometimes they have losing days. Like look at the QQQY yesterday had a losing day. Lost 19/100ths of a percentage point. Okay, well today it made that buck back and more. And you average those out and we'd be close. Anyway, we'll see how we're doing over the course of a month. It's not going to do much good to average a couple of days. All right, let's look over here at JEPY. It would not be statistically significant to take an average of 2 days and say it means anything. All right, JEPY trades SPX options, and they sold 109 contracts at the 45.75 level for 15 bucks. And they, well, let's look over here. I think SPX had a big day, so yeah, it was a full capture. They blew out of the box and closed pretty close to the highs of the day. So that's going to be a full profit in the JEP fund. So they earned $164,000, which is a capture rate of 0.17. That's more typical. You know, those types of numbers are way more typical than 0.64 or 0.46, whatever the last one was. That was huge. Yesterday's IWMY was huge also. Let's look at IWMY and see how they did today. They had a full profit also. Yeah, look at that. Look at that stock chart. That is a freaking face ripper. Closed on the highs. That's really bullish. So anyway, that's going to be a full profit in the IWMY. They trade Russell 2000 options. RUT is the symbol. They sold 81 of them. The 1815 strike. And they got $12 for them. Anyway, they made $98,000. Let's see what their capture was today. I wasn't quite prepared. I appreciate your patience. I don't know if that's, I'm going to have to check that, but my gosh, these guys are killing it. Did they really capture that much? Holy cow. Well, I'm going to have another update before the market open. I'll have another update Sunday night, and we're going to see which options these funds sold for Monday, because they reestablished positions at the end of the day for Monday expiration, and they'll put those up on their website sometime this weekend, and I'll report to you what they are, and I'll check all this math. But that is insane if they're really capturing that much. Let's just think about it. The fund is $7.8 million, so 10% would be $780,000. 1% would be $78,000. Yeah, that's exactly right. These guys are killing it. Absolutely murdering it. All right, I'll stop fanboying over IWMY, but this is why option selling is so profitable and why these funds are appropriate for a lot of people. Not everybody. Depends on your circumstances. Watch the rest of the videos on my channel. I talk a lot about it, but boy howdy, that is impressive. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you very much.